Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while, and I won't lie, I'm a bit nervous because I don't know, it's been a while I shot a YouTube video. But yeah, I'm back, and I'm bringing you guys more useful hair tips, more useful information on how to take care of a natural hair. So I'm making this video because I got a question in my comment section, and I was asked to tell you guys, or to tell her especially, how I take care of my natural hair, how I maintain my natural hair. So yeah, let's get into the video. Every natural hair maintenance, the first thing you should know is putting on protective styles. That is very important, like one of the most important styles. Like protective styles are all these hairstyles that doesn't break your hair, doesn't cut them, doesn't make them, you know, very bad. And here, this right here is exactly one of them. This twist has so far been one of the most effective protective hairstyles for your hair. At least it doesn't damage the hair, it just keeps it maintained. It's just best for it, you know. And you can use it for like as how long as you can, and at the same time you can wash your hair with this. You know, the first for so long, like this particular hairstyle has been the hairstyle that I know that whenever you put it on and you wash your hair, it's still the same as washing your hair without any twist or any braids. It's the same. To me, it's better. It's even easier to wash your hair like this than after washing your hair, especially with natural hair. It's not shrink. It's not be as if the whole world fall on top of it. But I prefer washing my hair this way because this is very comfortable. After this, I can, dry it and then loosen it up and comb it. It's easier. It even makes it soft, say, for me. And the second one I do is using my conditioner, not just your washout conditioner, your leave-in conditioner. I make use of the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. So far, this has been perfect for my hair. Like this, the feel it gives, like it's so soft. Whenever you use it, it's so soft. It helps smoothing your hair. Whenever you're making your hair, you don't have any much tanglings and the rest of them. This is so far. This has been better for me. I don't really recommend a hair cream. My experience with hair cream wasn't good. I used the hair cream. Hair cream usually gives me this dry hair feel, like feelings. It's usually dry. It makes my hair feel sharp. If you touch my hair now, it feels smooth and soft. Like sometimes I just love touching it because it's very soft. But whenever I use hair cream, it feels dry, it feels sharp, and I don't like that feel. So I recommend this. I recommend any leave-in conditioner. Usually, before I discovered this, I usually use a normal conditioner. Like whenever I wash my hair with a shampoo, after that I use the normal conditioner and leave it in for like 5 minutes, and then I wash it out and comb my hair. That one is very good, but I needed something that would just stay in, like I can use when I want to braid my hair instead of looking for a hair cream to make it easier. So this is a good one. I recommend highly. It mustn't be this particular conditioner. Any leave-in conditioner for natural hair. There was a former one I was using, but I've thrown away the container. It's like it contains coconut oil in it, or so yeah. It contains that one is also very good, but I couldn't find that one in the market, so I decided to use this. And so far, I like you, baby. One more thing, for those of us that have natural hair, like I don't know, we call it virgin hair, we call it natural hair. But for those of us that have this 4C or 4B or whatever kind of hair, please make sure you have a spray bottle. It mustn't necessarily be the one that they wrote spray bottle. Any container that you can see. This is this is a perfume container. I think the Dubai also, yeah. But it finished and I decided to use it as an improviser. I put my water here and it's best for me. Always have a spray bottle for water, just water. You can actually mix it with conditioner and spray on here. This is very nice. Like whenever you want to make your hair, or you want to comb it out, or you want to pack it, you can actually, you mustn't pour, you mustn't just go inside the bathroom, take a bucket of water, pour it on your hair for it to be soft. No, if you have a spray bottle with your water, mix your water and conditioner, spray it on your hair and touch your hair and come back and thank you. But this is very nice. So I said three things. The conditioner, always using having your spray bottle. You can use just water or you can use it with the conditioner. And I said one more thing. Yes, the protective style, like this one I'm putting on, is just twist, and it's very effective. It's very nice. So yeah, that's it. Hey, I just remembered one more thing. Comb. There's something that is with natural hair. It's like it's always tangling. always tangling. And this one is even small. This one sometimes it disturbs me. If you have this kind of comb, a bigger one, like it has enough toothed space or oh god, any toothed space in it, it's recommended because it helps pass through your hair without having to cut them out. Because the smaller, okay, something like this now is small, if you use it on your natural hair, it might just drag out the tangled part and cut it. And the best way to detangle your hair, again back to my spray bottle, whenever you want to, your hair is tangled or you left your hair laying down without combing or anything and it's kind of strange, you can use this to tangle your hair with your hands. Like you spray little water on it and then you just put your fingers through your hair, through your hair. Just do it every part of your hair before you use the comb. I advise use finger detangling first on your hair before you use the comb. It's better because if not, it will just be paining you out to be bringing out your hair. In fact, after combing your hair, you just see it telling you, "Hi, I'm out. I'm free now." You know. But please, if you have a bigger one or something like this that has very big, as long as it has big spaces in between, big toothed spaces or something, it's best for your natural hair and your detangling. So I guess that's all. I guess that's all for these are just the only thing I do to keep my hair maintained. I haven't started using the hair growth or whatever, but I don't think I'm interested for now. For now, I just take care of my natural hair in a natural way. So I guess that's it. Please, if you found this very useful, and to the person that asked me to make this video for her, I love you. You know I always do. So take care of yourselves, and if you find this video very useful, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. You can leave a comment on what else you want to know about how to take care of your hair or whatever hairstyle you want me to make. Any other thing? I guess no. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.